Alright everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to do problem 6.9 on the homework. So, let me get this up. Alright, so, starting off, for these two, since it's a full complete circle, the displacement is going to be equal to 0. Which, when you plug into the formula, times the force times cosine angle. So if this is 0, then the work is going to be 0. So yeah, so the work will be 0 joules for both part A and part B. Okay, moving on to C. Yes, so there's going to be, let me just make a diagram. It's going to be a circular path. So string here. There we go. And the length of the string is 1.53 meters. So, since that's the radius from the start, x1 to the top, it is going to be double the radius, so 3.06 meters. Alright, so for part C, there's really not any way to know the tension. But the way I did it, and I don't know if this is exactly correct, but I just thought about it and looking at it, going from here to here, the tension will be always going to the inside of the circle along the string. So if it goes across this path, the way I thought about it was that if you did the average, these would cancel out, these would cancel out, and it would average right to a right angle, right there, to the final spot. And that would be a right angle, 90 degrees, which in the formula for work, it would be the tension times 3.06 displacement, and then cosine 90, which is 0, so the work would be 0. And that's just how I kind of thought that one out. And for part D, using gravity, that's always going to be down, which you would find the weight of it, which is equal to the mass, 0.8 kilograms, times 9.8 for the force of gravity. And that would be equal to 7.84 newtons is the force of gravity. And since that is pointing down, but the displacement is 3.06 meters going up, the angle would be 180 degrees. Therefore, the work would be equal to 7.84 times 3.06 times cosine 180, which is turns this negative because it's -1, and what this comes out to is negative 24.0 joules once adjusted for significant figures. And that's going to be this answer. Alright. Oh, forgot the negative. There we go. Alright. And And there we go. That's 6.9 answered.